Imagine stepping on the gas pedal and hearing a strange knocking sound while your engine feels like it is surging out of control right before the check engine light pops on. That is a scary situation, and it might be code P004D. This code translates to turbocharger or supercharger boost control B circuit high. Unlike the low circuit code, this one means the computer is receiving a signal voltage that is higher than the maximum limit expected for the boost control solenoid on the B circuit. This is actually pretty dangerous for your engine because it often indicates an overboost condition. If your turbo forces too much air into the engine, you get detonation, which can crack pistons and destroy your motor in seconds. This applies to many turbocharged vehicles we drive here in the States, from Dodge Rams to Toyota trucks. The system uses a solenoid to control the vanes inside a variable geometry turbocharger. When the PCM sees a high signal, it implies a short to power or a failed sensor that is stuck reading high. The symptoms are aggressive. You might feel the car jerking, hear pinging sounds from the engine, and see that check engine light. The culprits are usually a faulty boost pressure sensor, a defective control solenoid, or wiring that is worn through and is touching a voltage source. To diagnose this, start with a visual inspection of the turbo piping and wiring harness. You want to check technical service bulletins too, as manufacturers often release updates for these issues. Using a scan tool, command the solenoid to open and close while the engine is running at 1,200 RPM. If the sensor values on your screen are stuck high and do not move even when you command the part to change, you have isolated the problem to the sensor, the wiring, or the PCM. You can also use an ohmmeter to check the internal resistance of the control solenoid against the factory specs. If the resistance is out of range, replace the solenoid. Do not ignore this code, as overboost is a silent engine killer. If this seems too technical, get it to a mechanic immediately. Catch you in the next video.